What are we going to cook today, Santi?
Rotten salmon.
Pesto salmon.
Pesto salmon.
And we're going to first put salt. Very good. Oh, that's enough. Now we bought a store pesto. It's very good, and he's going to put it on the salmon. Go, Santi. He's spreading the pesto. Okay, just put a little bit extra, okay, Santi? You gotta make sure that you cover the salmon, okay? Santi now is going to spread breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese on top of it. Make sure that you cover the whole salmon. Very good, Santi. You need to bake it at 450 for 15 minutes and then 5 minutes in the broil, so you can burn the breadcrumbs and the cheese.
This is hard.
Now the kids are going to do zucchini. They're removing the seeds, and then we're going to put same thing, pesto and the breadcrumbs, and put them right next to the salmon.
Oh God, this is hard.
And then they're making that, the little hole, so we can put, let me see, Santi.
Help me.
Okay, very good, kids. So let's see, how did it turn out? Very nice. Now we're going to fill them up with the pesto. So in this case, this one, you don't want to go very deep because then you're not really eating that much zucchini. So you want to go like this. Okay, now we're going to fill them. Gabi and Santi, can you please fill them with the zucchini, with the pesto sauce. Okay, Santi, can you take the pesto sauce? Santi, Gabi, take the pesto sauce and put it inside and spread it. Very nice. Just a little bit. Yes, very nice. Same thing, just a little bit. Very good. That's enough, Santi. Put it in the other one. Very good. That's very good, kids. Okay, and now take the breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese that we made, and we're going to put it on top of it. Gabi, can you take the breadcrumbs? They're right there, okay, and put it, and you cover it. You can use your hands. Remember to always watch your hands when you're cooking, okay? So yes, take as much as you can, Santi, and put it in there. Very nice. Make sure that you cover it. Yummy. Yes. Now you take the other Parmesan cheese that I put in here, which is just more this kind, and you put it on top of the breadcrumbs with the Parmesan cheese. So you can like that. So this will be the end result. Very good, Gabi. Let's see it, Santi. Very good. Ahora take that cheese. Take the Parmesan cheese. Yes. Yummy. That's very nice. Okay, so now we are done. The kids have done a great job, both of them. And now look at it. That will be salmon with zucchini. Let's see the end of product.
So now we have everything in the oven, and this is how it's going. Look who's here. It's Morris, and I think he smelled the food, so he want to come over and just relax
And
here.
he was in a few episodes and everything.
Here comes Momo. Yawn, Momo, yawn. There you go. Okie dokie, we have the salmon out.
Oh, yes. I forgot.
The
Zucchinis.
zucchinis. And, well, this is the results, so.
How do you like it? Subscribe to New Cool Things and give it a like. Bye.